What is going on YouTube? It's Crazy Game Monkey here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add Discord onto your Xbox console. Thankfully, Xbox has finally implemented Discord onto their systems, so this way you're able to chat with your buddies. Anyways, I hope your day is going good, and if not, I hope it becomes good. Make it great, and let's get started. So first off, you want to go to your settings section, and then under settings, you want to go under account. So once you're under account, then you want to go to your linked socials, and then right here all your socials are going to pop up, including Discord. So this is what we want to link. So you want to go ahead and click A, and then there's different ways that you could actually log into. If you do scan this QR code here, it's just going to take you on your phone to Xbox, and then you're going to have to log in email and password through your mobile device, or you could do continue on console. So if you do continue on console, it's going to be pretty much the same thing. You're going to need your email, phone number, and password, or the easiest method is you could log in with your QR code. So with your QR code, if you already have Discord on your phone, and you're already logged in, then you want to go to your profiles tab, which is all the way in the bottom right. And then right here, you could see it says scan QR code, sorry. So you want to go ahead and scan it. Once you scan it, you're going to get this message. Are you trying to log in on the computer? And then it says, yes, log me in. And then once you click it, then it's going to show you this. And then on the console, then you want to go ahead and scroll down. And then unfortunately, it's going to allow all of this except buy you nice seafood dinner. So that's a bummer, but it's okay because we're here for the link of Discord to Xbox. So we're going to go ahead and click authorize. Once you authorize it, you should be logged in. And then it's going to have you sign in to your Xbox just to double make sure. And then click yes again. Alright, and then it's going to say connecting your Xbox account to Discord. You want to give it some time, and then if you want, Discord is a trusted site, so we just go ahead and click open. And there we go. So finally, your Discord is linked. You could actually show on your profile if you want it to show, or you could unshow it, whatever you want. Welcome back. So welcome back. So now that you have linked your Discord account onto your Xbox, I'm going to show you how to pretty much implement the parties onto your Xbox as well. Unfortunately, you cannot just start a party here as a Discord party or join a voice chat. What you have to do is you actually have to go on your mobile device and transfer it. So I'm going to show you here. So let's just say I'm going to want to join my friend's voice channel, and then you could click join voice. And then if you swipe up, it says transfer to Xbox right here. So you want to go ahead and transfer to Xbox, and then it's going to take you to the Xbox app, and then you want to do is transfer voice. So once you do transfer voice, it's going to pop up on your actual Xbox, and then it shows right here. It shows what voice chat, so it says friends, and then it shows what channel. So right here, you could see me talking on here. So that's me talking, and I could finally hear other people as well. You could also mute yourself, deafen, switch to game chat, all of that good stuff. So if you click the Xbox, you could kind of like the party in a sense. So it's pretty simple. And you could always disconnect. And now, if you do want to switch channels, you would have to do it through the app as well, unfortunately. I mean, it's still pretty good, you know. So let's just say I want to go to my members, and then I want to join voice, and then it's going to ask if you want to transfer voice. So once you transfer, it's going to close you out, and then it's going to add you into the new voice chat. So as you can see, under Discord, it now says members instead of friend, and then also the channel, Crazy Game Monkey. But anyways, that's pretty much it. That's how you could use Discord onto your Xbox. If you did find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like. It would mean a lot to me, and consider subscribing as well for more tutorial videos and gameplay. It's Crazy Game Monkey. Once again, hope you're having an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.